News that we're breaking to you right now. UPA chairperson Sonia Gandhi is clearly setting the mood with the stance that she's adopting. She held a meeting with Congress MPs. She's asked them to refrain from being defensive. What she's also said is that young Congress parliamentarians must be in an attacking mode and not take the attack that's coming forward from the BJP, from the NDA lying down. That's the news that Headlines Today is breaking to you right now. Sonia Gandhi's stern message to her MPs coming forward and saying that we've got nothing to hide. There's no need for any of us to be defensive. Let's get in our senior editor Javed Ansari, who's breaking the story to us right now. Javed, as far as Sonia Gandhi is concerned, clearly not willing to take the attack of the BJP, lying down, coming out and exhorting her MPs to stage a big and tough fight back.
Congress she spoke her MP, she told the leaders and her spokesperson to basically defend the party, the government and the Prime Minister, because she believes that the Prime Minister has to answer for, and she believes that the BJP's propaganda must be taken on head on. That's the only way out. If they sat back and try to stop the punches, the opposition government is doing truly and it won't hang on. So therefore she decided that the second must go and present forcefully and as possible.
Javed, just stay on with us. Let's also get in Kartikeya Sharma now in on the story. Kartikeya, as far as Sonia Gandhi is concerned, the stand that she's taken is of taking a tough fight back right down to the wire, taking it to the BJP, not falling into the kind of demands that are coming forward from the party, also sending a clear message right down to the wire to her party MPs as well, and in doing so, sending out a clear message to the BJP itself that the Congress will not be put on the mat on this issue.
You see, it was a strategy meeting. Roughly 25 to 30 Congress MPs attended it. They were in this meeting. You had the floor managers also present. When they were asking questions to Sonia Gandhi as to what they should do, she encouraged the first timers that there has to be a strategy on which the Prime Minister needs to be protected. And the thrust of the matter is that the Congress does not need anything to hide. They don't need to defend themselves. They need to attack and expose the opposition. So there are three things to this story. Sonia Gandhi has taken charge. Obviously she is in charge, but she is also looking into the nitty-gritties of the strategy of the parliament. She doesn't want the Congress to be defensive. She wants them to be offensive. She told them that you need to be very confident, go out and defend your Prime Minister, say things which are correct. And then she also told them the way they need to dismantle certain parts of CAG on which the government has raised objection. And then she encouraged young and junior MPs that if you do not get a chance to speak in the House, there are other avenues, you must make best of it, and it is your duty and job to defend the government. So she is setting the mood on which I feel that the Congress will be very, very aggressive whenever there is going to be a debate. So we are gradually seeing post Pranab Mukherjee, a hands-on Sonia, who is actually dictating the tactics which are deployed on a day-to-day basis, on a weekly basis, and the sort of meetings. Yes, one can say these meetings are regular, but in this meeting, we saw a very aggressive and a very proactive Sonia Gandhi.